Every story of strength begins in a moment of weakness, a moment where you feel the weight of your life pressing down, and you wonder if you can carry it. Most people break in that moment, but you didn't. You're still here, and that means something. Strength isn't built in victory, it's built in survival, in the nights you endure instead of escape. You've survived storms that would have destroyed someone else. You don't give yourself enough credit for that. You think you're weak because you feel pain. But pain is not weakness. Pain is the proof you're still fighting. The strongest people aren't the ones who feel nothing. They're the ones who feel everything and move anyway. You've carried burdens silently. You've fought battles privately, and you've rebuilt yourself quietly. Most people will never understand the weight you carry. That's okay, it's not their way to understand. Your path is different, harder, lonelier, but it leads somewhere extraordinary. Easy paths create ordinary lives. Hard paths create powerful people. You're not just building discipline. You're building identity, the identity of someone who doesn't break. Every time you show up, you cast a vote for the person you want to become. You're not chasing motivation. You're building structure. You're building consistency. Consistency beats intensity. Daily effort beats occasional burst. You're becoming someone who shows up, even when it's hard. Someone who doesn't quit. Someone who doesn't fold. Someone who doesn't break. You're becoming the kind of person people look at and say, how does he keep going? And the answer is simple. You decided you would never break. Not because life got easier, but because you got stronger. And now you're becoming unstoppable.